Community Award. Michael Bain graduated in 1998 and is a partner at HHBG Employment Lawyers. He is the editor of The Advocate, a highly regarded legal journal circulated to every lawyer in BC, and regularly writes on a wide variety of legal topics of interest to lawyers and in the lawyer's interest. Michael served for a decade as an elected member of the Vancouver Bar Association and has been a regular participant in the annual fundraising efforts of the CBABC Benevolent Society. Michael is the inaugural recipient for the Award for Community.
Life is much more meaningful if we're actually contributing to one another. I've always tried to give to the profession because I've taken a lot from the profession. It's a symbiotic relationship. It's a very privileged position to be a lawyer in society. But we're really only ever at our best when we're helping one another and contributing to society. And the way that I contribute is to the profession. I don't know, it's just part of who I am.
When I first learned that Michael was going to be the recipient of this award, I had several thoughts. One of them was you couldn't have a better candidate than Michael to be the first one to receive it. He stands on a broad platform. He makes his contribution in so many different ways. He's a fully evolved, complex, interesting, good-natured person with a great sense of humor who comes up with multiple ways to give back. And the community is enriched by his contributions, and that is the kind of thing that you want to see and encourage in lawyers generally.
Life circumstance, after 7 years of doing civil litigation, I moved to a small boutique employment law firm and just happened into employment law. And I found that I really enjoyed it because I was able to help people. And so it sort of harkened back to those early years of developing this internal sense of justice, where I didn't like to see injustice visited on anyone. So in employment law, oftentimes people are vulnerable or they've done something they ought not to have done, and things have gone sideways for them. And I and my colleagues, we get to step in and help them out and set them on a better course than maybe the one they've been on.